3-point shots of Tosi. 5 na lang. The 3-point shots of Russell. 3. Ball to Carroll. Pass to the wonder boy, Kaji Moral. And one. Basket. It's a steal. Here it comes. The bullet pass behind the back. John Russell Pena. Game up. Distraction. Forbes. Backer. Thunder. Basket versus one. Ito naman si Mr. Russell Pena. 3 on the shot clock now. 3. Malawag tayo ng una na. Rather than acting back for third and Carlo Winslow. Fast break play action by Mr. Russell. Basket here for Drew. Tosi Tansinko. WFC Fighter. Malagpag ang malagpag. Ito na yung ating battle for third. First ball possession nakuha. Dito ng ating versus one. Double T, pass to Tansinko, 5 seconds. Tosi, Hesi, 3 on the shot clock now. 3, Three-point shots, buzzer beater, and it's a change paper agad tayo. Ball to Carroll from the Tiis Kapampangan, number 19. And now by Espiritu, pass to Vincent Marukot. To Espiritu, sinapian na ng magandang Espiritu. Signal by Mark Tamayo. 50 seconds on the shot clock to Stanley. To Tristan Tubagi. Mark Tamayo, 10 seconds. Bounce pass, scatter, and the give and go deliver, mapapalamang dyan sa ating Nanay Pora party list. For the product, Tamayo, 6 minutes. Tubagi nakakita ng siwang. Yes sir, dito tatanggihan yan. Sakto-sakto na yung siwang na yan, sabi dito ni Christian to get that basket time. WFC Fighter. Malagpag ang malagpag. Pretty shot one, Marukot 5 from the outside, it's a 3 by Beast Marukot. Change paper 10-7. Number 91 nakalusot naman, and Paul to Carroll once again. Later, laking bagay din yun no? 15 seconds on the shot clock, Chog Moral to Paul to Carroll. Magandang series din yung binigay nila kahit dalawang talo sila. And versus one from the Guava, napakagandang series na di makakalimutan at tumatak dito sa ating dahil na digama. Pero the shot clock, pipitik na press. Ito si Tosi Tansinko, but still off. Shot pa rin, Tosi pipitikin. Padugo na rin na! Ito na! Tansinko na lang! Bola from the FPBL this time now played for the Nueva Ecija. Yung naman yung magandang pasa ni Marukot. Minti wala pa rin po. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Relax lang. Sabi ni Laksa. Beltran. Doon pa sa ilalim pumunta. Iba talaga yung tapang mga batang to from the Saswane. Super down. Portland P. Ancho. Brother Gigante. Nagpustulong Gigante na naman for that steal on the top. It was that is quick. Nice pass by Marukot. And Roman Balat for the easy basket. Kenji Moral. Pass to Gigante. Balik dito may Chog Moral. Tosi. Back from the top to Chog. ISO. Kenji step on ball. Basket. Napakautak ng batang to. 16-17. 2 seconds to finish the answer. Marukot. Tinihanyos na. 17-16 at the end of the first quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mark Tamayo. To round the day, a power down shot clock. Naipit, bola pasa, dito ng bola. Here comes this one. Carl Luencio for the easy basket. 19-16 is the score. Fifty shot clock. Number 1. Pass to ball to Carroll. Kick out the mark. Now to the there. Steal. Back to back dito kay Carl Luencio. Talagang na-expose yung mga ibang player ng iba't ibang that is it. Now whistle. The line for 2 free throws versus miss. 17-21 is score. Number 5 grab pass and drive basket for this is 1. Rob Tadeo to Mark Tamayo. Paul to Carroll, inside to Naku, recover, basket to Paul. There's another blow, versus 1. Limpin to Carroll, made the first pass. Number 5, Paul, Ronnie Russell, crowd from this is 1, nakita yun. Pero player na naka-line up talaga. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Grab scatter. There's a steal. Push. Carl Luencio malinis sa kanyang daanan. 6 points for Carl Luencio. Another pass break play for this is 1. 27-19. Number 27. Reverse on baskets. Yes, sir. Ating unang gabi ng ating championship mamaya panoorin. Guagua and Lubao. Eto na muna yung battle for third. Now on Mark Tamayo. May kanan ng bola. Pass from the top. Mukhang nahuhuli yata. But the shot went down at 5-2 ni number 18. And number 2, Naku. Get it. Easy basket. 4 minutes come by. Here now second quarter. Peña. Nice pass. By number 18, Patrick Limpin. Ball to Carroll. Steal by Russell Peña and another all the way. 8 points for that pass break play action by Mr. Rather, that was Carl Luencio. Samantala naman isang matinding sagot na basa. Jackpot tayo kapag plus 1. Congratulations. Number 20 basket on Castro. Basta-basta yung crowd na nag-ialawang tayo ng unang rather than ating battle for third and Carl Luencio. Konektado na ngayon sa stress. 11 points. Double digit na ito si Carl Luencio. Bad pass. Hinabang ni Russell Peña. Deliver. Yes, sir. Live. Number 50, Castro, bounce pass. Now number 12. Jog now, quick down the attack. Stanley, Cosita 5. One of the best shooter here in Pampanga from Zamboanga and PBL. At ito, sa next conference maglalaro na sa Nueva Ecija. We will proud from Cosita 5. Luencio, pass to Mr. number 5, Russell Peña. Sinalaksakan yung depensa ang lugod. Tapping on the ball on number 19, Liscano. Benzon pass to Consico. Tosi Godran. Speed na ito recover. Jog. Boa basket naman kay Kenji Moral. The wonder boy ng Pampanga. The season MVP ng Junior MPBL and napalarong pambansa. And pinopromote natin yung mga Kapampangan bowlers natin para kilalanin at tingalahin. Putupukan natin yung mga players na 2 and 20. Peña. Slice. Drag. Pinipert. Nagpapawag ang Quezon. Pinakamatigas na ulo ng liga. Perso is good. Number 3, Tosi Cancinco miss. Unfortunately, there is no general guys dito. From the Holy Angel University. Hindi pinayagan. Okay, ito, teka lang. That was a unsportsmanlike foul. And a ball possession from the Saswan and perfect. And that is a foul. 5 for 3, or rather 5 from the free throw line. Kenji Moral, hand time, bumalaktot, nag-give rebound. Corbista. Steal pressure, ng ating Porak and Canlas. Big steal from the miss. Layup para dyan kay Choge. Binawi niya doon sa steal. At magandang paso to make another score ng ating Porak 10-point lead. 40 seconds remaining on the game clock. Ito na si Panagpatay, UFC Fighter! Hindi na papaawat talaga yan ang tirador ng kaning lamig. The last play here in the second quarter. Navarro, play! 10 seconds of the shot clock. Tosi Cancinco. Short from the 3 and a good backboard. Chog Moral.
Itak pa yung referee na.
Nakakabata pero yung natin kaya video natin ito sa parking lot. Sumunod naman lang din sila na naman. 4 seconds shot clock. Try to beat his. And before the buzzer, the ball is so hurt. First line is good. Pass to Joven Gigante. Paul Tuquero, balik kay Moral. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Looking at the screen, head to si Cancinco may kanan pa rin from the Porak. Naku bounce. Tuquero from 3. Go! 3-point shot clock dyan kay Paul Tuquero. Now on number 2, Panagpat. Pass to Beltran. Ito na yung dalawang maanghang ng Saswan. 50-40 sa mag-ball pa rin. Kanina pa naghahabol yung ating Porak. Tristan Tubagi. Tucho Moral. Moral to Cancinco. Pipiliin niya na naman ni Tosi yun. And that is in. 3-point shots para kay Tosi Cancinco. Number 1. Sights that no for Kenji Moral. Tap the ball out para kay Tosi Cancinco. That's a foul for Beltran. First row, it's good. And I think Tosi nakukusap na tingnan natin pangatlo. Perfect ang Tosi Cancinco. The lead. Labas sulitin pa ang ating Pora. Ball to Gare from the 15. That's good. The lead down to 2 points. Laban lang sa sulit. Laban sila eh. Pero nakahabol din talagang dumitigit na naman yung nagiging itin sa bawat kapakan. The quick response from the basket by the Hugo Beltran. The pass the 4 and 15 game up. And then naman the Wonder Boy Kenji Moral. The stretch. The Wonder Boy of Moral. Swing. 4 minutes. Pwede naman ang atake. Thunder. Basket versus 1. Ito naman si Mr. Russell Peña. Basket here for you. The UFC Fighter. Roman Balakbak. Oo. Hindi ko nagigil. 56-50 back at 6 point from the small. 10 shot clock. Tristan Tubagi. Pass to Paul Tuquero again from the 50 back-to-back on the free throw line by Paul Tuquero. Down to 4. Check ball Akaw. Dito din Tubagi. Now Stanley Cadras. The zigzag move. Get it for 2. Down to 2 points na lang ulit dito sa ating Saswan. Here comes Russell Peña. Peña acrobatic. Then swing for the reverse kick. Back to the line. Paul Tuquero. Nagmamadali. Tuloy-tuloy na wala yung tatlo. Rachel, dissatisfied! And they will be score! Sino mahabon? Kay Romel Palakpak! Mapapalo ng baseball bat! 1-40. 3-point shots of Tosi at 5 na lang! And naririnig na natin ang best, one of the best shooter of Pampanga. Tosi at 5 na ang Bambi. Pitch it through, Kenji Balan. Got the run by Boy.
Salita lang eh, salita.
Down by Liu with a shot drop. And number 15.
Yan ang nasanan eh.
Ayan na naman yung hype ng Pampanga. Napapagod na naman ako. 105. It's a steal. Here it comes. The bullet pass. Behind the back. John. Russell Peña. What the pass by number 6. Looking behind by Marugot at nandun si Russell Peña. 15 seconds. Or rather, 50 seconds remaining. Turn around. Drop by Paul to Kero. Look at now number 6. Liu Wang. Marugot. What the Pinoy step sana doon by Mr. Marugot. 30 seconds down the Wonder Boy and 5. 2-7. Rebound by Balabata. Pagkakuha ng bola, may halong gigil. And the ball will out from his hand. Halos papatapos na tayo dito sa ating third quarter. Till have a shot clock defense again from the baseline. Count ng basket. 10 seconds on the game clock. Russell, pass to Coral. Now Roman, yeah! Good! Defensive rebound. And Dallas. And ngayon napakalalang dito sa fourth quarter dyan ang ating ball. Maglis. The 3-point shots on Russell. Back out! 3! That's 3-point shots is being brought to you by. That was a 2. Nice pass from Peña, missed by Marugot. 3-point shot from Mark Camilo. 3 points. Now Russell Peña. Peña on the middle to Carl Luencio. Miscommunications in the dog. 30 shot clock from the four-up. Chance to make it the lead. Tosi Tansino, alley-oop pass in. It's a change, figure out, ano na. Ang ating nanay for the least forward ng isa. 66 to 65. Carly Rachel, pass over 90 drop. Roman Palakpak, the UFC player. 1 point back. 66 to 67. We have now a Sisu action here in the court. May 8 minuto pa tayo. Mark Tamayo, fine, Tosi. Drive, Tansino, ball fakes, guys, miss, the hook. Russell Peña, tatakbo sa swan, babalik, atake, drive, stretch, drop, basket. Sabi nga, yung mga ibang players na di natin nakikilala, lumalabas sa mga ganitong liga. Russell, pass to Carl Luencio, drop pass. Peña, napakasipag, nandun na naman kakap. Peña, score. Isa to si Russell Peña, na dapat kilalanin na rin natin dito sa Pampanga. Yung bola sa likod. Kaso nga lang, mahirap yung ginawa niya. Number 1, the Wonder Boy. Pass to number 19, and Liscano, Liscano. That nice assist for KG Walao, 68-71. Chris Pagran. Pull-up jumper, the UFC fighter. May tira din sa labas. 73 to 68, 90 points. Para dito kay Romel Balakbat. Ball to Carroll, pass to the Wonder Boy, Kenji Moral. And 1. Basket foul of number 19. Carroll basketball from the Junior NPBL Season MVP. Grabe naman yung title na yan. He is the first season MVP ng Junior NPBL. 5 minutes. Shout out to 371, the boss of the law. That's it. Ball to Cannon. By Tosi Francisco, tinignan tayo. Offensive. 18 points. By Tosi Francisco. Limang 3 points na tayo kay Tosi Francisco. 3-40. They're now by Balaghat Pro basket. Ito si Balaghat ay may 21 na. 21 points by 3:20. Tosi Tansingo, another find away. Make a score. Never a layup miss. Ayan kay Tosi Tansingo. 3-19. Nanaku play the backdoor. Time out na. For Coach Gibbs. Tosi Tansingo from the block, from the forearm. I probably this. Tingnan natin kung makatikin sila dito. And from the basket for Lozano. 40 shot clock under 3 minutes. Kenji, second is good. Lines of this is the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes brought to you by the Kalamantana Homegrown Cup Invitational 30 under basketball. And lang. The pesos difference 100,000 ang ating third placer. Third placer naman is 150,000 pesos. Of course, battle for primary ito ng pawangat ng ating Saswan. 7-8, 1 point. Tingnan natin kung mga lamang dito. Ang ating Puma. Find the open Stanley. Lower rebound. Out of bounds. Number 3, Tosi Tansingo. Iniwan na siya doon. Porang na makakakuha ng rebound. 3-point leads naman ang ating Saswan. Tristan Lubagi, pass to KJ Moral. Number 91, pull together to KJ. Defensive rebound by Robert Balaghat. Corazzo. Kaya magbababa ng Katagi. Sa Galaport. That is a backcourt violation. Backcourt. 1 minute and 1 second. 81-78. Tristan Tubogi. 5 on the shot clock. Tristan Tosi. The three. Good. Session Bogi Glam. Para magdiwag pa ang Saswan. Now the Hesi by number 5. Handsome Pinilit. No good. And the ball out of bounds. 31 seconds. Baka magdala na rin kayo ng sarili mong panay. 25 seconds. Number 11, Tubogi, pass to Tansingo. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Looking set up from 3 positions. Looking at the offensive rebound. And Tubogi will get a foul. First zone. It's good. Na-miss ko to eh. Viva Apolosia! Mahina. Konti sila ngayon. Hindi na sumama. They're out to time out. O so ibig sabihin kung ano malapang tumagal na bola. Oh, play safe. trying to control. Recognition to the green, takes the drive, penetrates to the line. Pushing. The number 11, pushing. Very wide, point penalty. At mukhang makakaisiw sa sunod dito. Kansada na yun. Akala ko mauulit.